Hello and welcome to this product release video for our Mandata Enterprise Web Services and Mandata Go TMS Vehicle Checks app users, showcasing the new updates for the Vehicle Checks desktop. In this product release video we will cover the redesigned inspection list and forms, bulk resolutions and sign-offs, adding inspectors, inspection numbering, archiving inspections, and our new questionnaire form. We've redesigned both our inspection list and inspection forms to greatly enhance the user experience. The redesigned list and forms will provide you with greater control when viewing inspections, an overall enhanced look and feel, more space to leave the comments you need, and also the ability to view photos from within the forms. So, when looking at these new design updates, as you can see, we've added new options to the panel at the top of the grid to give you greater control of your inspection list. The panel now provides the options to refresh the grid, print records from the grid, export the grid, filter the grid, select from the grid, add your preferences, search the grid, open a job by its number, and of course find useful help guides around this area of the TMS. Users can also click on the cogwheel in the top right corner to have even more control over the list, offering options to view inspections by certain date ranges or for specific drivers, for example. Now moving on to our inspection forms, which we're really excited to share with you. So as you can see, the form has been redesigned to put all your key details in the same column. This provides you with more space to view any comments left on an inspection. Additionally, we have added the ability to view photos from the form. This is really useful to help you instantly see the proof of any damage to the vehicle, straight from the form. The resolution screen has also been redesigned with the same logic, giving you more space to leave comments and important details relating to that resolution. We also included the photo button to quickly view photos relating to the incident. When filling in the form, we have added the option to select an inspector to sign off the inspection, which I'll talk about in more detail later in the video. So as you can see, when I filled in the form, I added a work reference number. This is a new field added which can be used to supply the workshop reference to the repair and will be applied to each defect. This will help you track specific defects much easier. So as you can see, when I reopen the resolution form, the work number is now present against the appropriate defect. And finally, moving on to the reviewed by form, which allows you to sign off your inspections. This has also been redesigned to give you a much larger notes section and the ability to add an inspector to give the final sign off. When drivers have minor faults that aren't enough for a vehicle to fail an inspection, such as low engine oil, these inspections can stack up in your inspection list before the issue is resolved. If, for example, the engine is low on Monday and not replaced until Friday. We understand this can be inconvenient, so we have now given users the ability to make bulk resolutions and sign-offs. This will save you a lot of time and effort by being able to do all your resolutions and sign-offs across multiple inspections rather than individually. Resolving multiple defects at once is easy. Simply select the inspections you want from the list and then click the cog at the bottom of the inspection list. Limitations apply, as the same inspection form template must be used and the resolutions must be for the same vehicle. The same method is used to sign off multiple inspections at once, just this time select Sign Off Inspections. If you need to know if an inspection has been signed off or not, simply navigate to the Reviewed By and Reviewed On columns like in the video, and it will show you who signed off the inspection and the time and date that they did. It can be time consuming having to manually type in inspector details for each inspection, so we've now added the ability to add inspectors to forms as you've seen me do previously in this video. These inspectors can be tied to an individual and protected by a password for enhanced compliance by avoiding people entering the wrong inspector. To add an inspector, simply navigate to your menu and search for inspectors, and then add the name, signature, password, and whether you want to tie the inspector to a specific user. This will default to that inspector when resolving defects and signing off inspections, saving even more time. Our customers use a variety of vehicles and consequently require different inspections for each vehicle type. We've now added the ability to provide inspection numbering. This will enable you to tie unique vehicle checks numbers to each vehicle type to be able to distinguish between different inspections. I'm going to use a forklift inspection as an example here, so I navigate to check numbering sequence and fill out the required details. And then I need to tie this number sequence to a specific questionnaire, so I go to the menu and search for questions. Then I open up my forklift inspection and tie it to that specific inspection numbering sequence. If you just need a single sequence and not multiple, this can be set up by going to My Business, searching for Vehicle Check, and then selecting Default Numbering Sequence. Over time, your inspection history can severely stack up. Due to this, we've introduced the ability to archive inspections so that they will be hidden from the list. Archiving numerous old inspections can lead to increased performance, as well as providing you with the ability to report on only the most up-to-date inspections. To begin archiving your old inspections, simply select the inspections you want to hide from your list, and then go to the cogwheel at the bottom and select Archive Inspections. You can choose from here to archive the specific inspections you selected, or alternatively, to save even more time, you can archive entire lists from a specific date range. If at any time you wish to see these archived inspections again, click on the cog in the top right corner like I am here, and select the option to show archived inspections. There is a field on the grid that shows whether an inspection is archived or not if you're ever unsure. You may have noticed that earlier in the video I navigated to the questions section while adding in a numbering sequence. This is a new section that we've added to split up the vehicle checks questionnaires from the manifest app questionnaires, leading to a better user experience. Aside from creating this section, we also added 3 new options. The numbering sequence used for the specific inspection, which we covered earlier in the video, forcing the driver to submit a minimum number of documents with the inspection, and lastly, forcing the driver to provide a signature with their inspection. This will provide you with an even higher level of compliance with your daily inspections. If you have any questions regarding this release, please contact your customer success manager at csm@mandata.co.uk. Also, we'd love to hear what you think about the new updates, so please consider following the link in the email to leave some feedback and enter the draw for a chance of winning a £25 Amazon gift voucher. Thanks for watching and see you next time.